In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to hide your profile on Roblox. Let's start. First, open a browser on your computer and search for Roblox website, then log into your account. If you want to hide your profile account from other users so that they won't see your activities in the game, like what game you're playing and other stuffs, then this video will be able to help you. In your Roblox homepage, click the gear icon at the top right corner and then select Settings in the drop-down menu. In the Account Info section, scroll down to the bottom and then set the social network's visibility to no one, so other users won't see your social links to your social network profiles. Next, click the visibility option to open it. Now, simply set this option to no one. By doing that, other people can see your current experience and won't be able to join you. That's basically how you can hide your profile on Roblox.